Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word anther in depth. First, the definition. Anther means the pollen-bearing part of a stamen in a flower. Think of it simply as the flower's pollen carrier. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Anther traces back to the Greek word anthos, meaning flower, recorded since the 17th century. Over time, it's been used by botanists and plant scientists. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use anther in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The bee landed on the anther to collect pollen during its foraging. Correct example 2. She examined the flower's anther carefully under her microscope. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to anther my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using anther correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Anther means the pollen-bearing part of a stamen in a flower. It comes from the Greek word anthos, meaning flower, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with anther down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.